In this video, you learn how to change your email address on the SHEIN app. It's simple and easy. So let's get started. First of all, open the SHEIN app on your mobile device. Then tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Then scroll down and select Manage My Account. Now tap on the email option. Then choose Change. SHEIN will now send a verification code to your current email. Now enter that code. Then input your new email address and tap Send to receive another verification code. Now enter the code sent to your new email. Check the box to agree to terms and tap Send. And that's it. You have successfully changed your email on the SHEIN app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.